Hello, welcome back to another Minecraft video. We are running low on food, and the person that I was in a call with on Discord last episode was my friend Banana Duck. So hopefully the recording isn't as laggy, but it'll still be laggy because my recorder is not that great. It lags a lot. Should get another one, the walk battle, but I don't really know any that walk battle. You can tell me some in the comments below. But remember to subscribe. Remember, whenever you hear the magical sound of the timer going off, that means that the video has ended. And I feel like posting 2 a day. So yeah. Well, we lost base. That's bad. Good thing is I still have the iron though. So I'll just set up a new base, and first I must do something. Crafting table. The first comment on the episode 1 was by this lovely person right here. This is the beginning of a subscriber wall. If you want to, or really a comment wall, like commenter walls. But if you keep commenting, then I'll put your username on the wall. Thank you to Stop Motion Legendary Ninja Boss Pro for commenting on my video. Hello, and possibly even giving it a like. I can't really tell who gives my videos a like, but you can if you want to. You can like my videos if you're even watching it. Or if you don't even feel like watching this video all the way through, you can do that. You can abandon me, leave me crying in my own room. Or you could just, or you can just subscribe. Okay, enough sellout. Already almost out of time. That's why I upload 2 a day. This is gonna be episode 3, so yeah. As soon as this timer goes off, I'm gonna stop the recording. And I'm gonna start more recording, so I should have 2 videos uploaded right next to each other. Videos are so short because my recorder only allows 5 minutes of recording time, unless I upgrade to Pro, which I'm planning on doing next time I get money. Oh, I steal my mom's credit card. Don't steal your parents' credit card. That's not nice, and it could make your family go broke. So I wouldn't do that. 10 minutes left. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, I feel like something's wrong here. Hold on. Wait, really? Did you have to do this right now? Roblox and Minecraft are the same thing.